The San Antonio Riverwalk is the #1 tourist destination in Texas, and the San Antonio Riverwalk Association is the official agency who produces a multitude of highly successful parades, festivals, and events attracting thousands of locals, Texans, and tourists to her banks. Over 500,000 people visit the official Riverwalk social media sites each week, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. The Riverwalk Association also produces San Antonio's #1 tourist publication, Rio Magazine. And the Riverwalk's website is the #1 result in a Riverwalk Google search. So, how can we put the power of the Riverwalk to work for you? Customized sponsorships can be crafted to meet your promotional goals and target audiences. Elements may include parade floats, local and nationally syndicated televised parade participation, TV commercials, print ads, website presence, social media, merchandise giveaways, mascot recognition, and so much more. Call now to get started.